Good afternoon, respect tutor. My name is Snaider Diaz Gomez. I am 23 years old. I live with my wife. I have no children. I am a student of system engineer at the University UNAD. I am Colombia. I like computing and cycling, which I practice in my time free. My last trip was to Cartagena, where I had the opportunity to get the new diaz and the historical center, such as the wall and castle of San Felipe, um, as well as a small part the, of the history of the place. Um, I also had the opportunity to travel in plane um, from El Dorado International Airport in Bogotá to Rafael Núñez International Airport in Cartagena. My next trip I want to do by motorcycle uh, through Colombia to places like Caño Cristales or Leticia, Amazonas. Bibliography. Thank you for your attention.